make sure they pull as high as they can pull. Pull, Vince!
Oh, Mom, can you rub some of this stuff on me?
Is that a good one?
Yeah, I just gotta put her worm back on.
Isaac catching anything?
Yeah, they keep nibbling, then they just pick it up.
Where's the net?
Yeah, I think the boat is moving. Where's that?
Vincent, how are you doing?
I have a bit up.
Oops.
Close up, Irvin.
Zoom in on him. Right there. Emily, pull. You gotta jerk, Emily. You gotta hook him.
I should have took a crap in front.
Nothing, Alex.
I don't have one on my end.
Need another bait?
Water's no good. That's what I use.
Here's Joy. What did you catch, Joy? And here's Alex.
A big sunny.
Okay, hold it by the string now so I can see how big he is.
It's about 2 pounds.
Turn him sideways. There. Oh. You guys caught him together?
Yeah.
He wanted me to hold his rod so he could take his life jacket on, and I caught it.
Good job.
Here, Emily, lift that sucker up.
Jesus, getting heavy.
Shut the lid, Emily.
Just jiggle it.
You can leave the lid open if it's...
She deeper tuna?
Ouch.
Mommy, look what I
Not
found.
that hard, Alex.
Sink it.
Okay, put it in Dad's
Not that
tackle
hard.
box. Isaac, nothing over there?
Got it out?
Gosh, Dad.
Shut her up.
Shut her up. Good, go blast it. I'm gonna drop it when we get out.
Vincent! Kelsey! Emily! Joy! Isaac! Alex! And our captain.
In the dock. That's dumb.
Oh, gosh.
There's Kelsey. Vincent.
Mommy, can you tighten this for me? Tighten this for me.
Mom,
Where are you going?
Underwater.
did they get new owners?
I don't know. Where are the boys? Fishing there yet?
Mom.
We gotta get that. Get out of my way, Joy.
Mommy.
Here's Samantha. And Lorraine. Just a swinging today, aren't you? Are you having fun? Are you? Good. How old are you now, Samantha? 3? Wow. And here's Blaine. Blaine, where's Vincent? You should go find him. You should play with him. We're out celebrating Mom's birthday today. How old are you, Mom?
What do you mean, Mother? Cut them off the cupcakes already.
39?
Well, after a while, you can have a cupcake. Okay, that's enough. Boy,
Here's Taco Fido.
First I leave them in the car and I don't want to have a cupcake. After a while, you can have a cupcake.
Say Violet. Smile.
Yeah, she's
Mom and Catherine Namas.
with the black. Is there any cup?
I saw some laying by the tree there, by the bicycle.
It's Mom's cousin.
You see him?
You're on feed my. Hey, are you two little codgers sitting up there?
Irvin and Debbie. I can hear you, Irvin. Two old farts. Jeremy and Evan's friend Danelle, Nadine, Chad, Roseanne, Gina, Jeffrey, KJ, Catherine Klopita, Isaac, Gabby, James, Plarsky, Cyril Jr., Joe Klopita, Myron.
It's all right.
Uncle Irvin. And cookies. Show Uncle Irvin your cookies.
Just plan on it.
Did she go home? Over there.
How about soap?
Shut that camera off. Come over here and I'll give you an after dinner meal. Not too bad. Nine.
So if you're 30 feet away, use one, and if you're 10 feet away, use one. And then use one for pounding it, and use one for them 4-foot shots. That's just kind of limited to a lot of them. You either bang it both.
There's some guys playing volleyball.
Oh, a whole bunch of stuff.
What did we get from Grandma?
Love you. Oh, poker money. Oh, a little pocket knife. Is it tricky?
What's in here?
I don't know yet. Folding scissors. Oh wow. Super. It's a sucker or something.
I might
Mixed
fight.
nuts.
Alright, see where
Joy.
I'm
Joy.
nuts.
What?
I might buy Sucker Super.
You might buy one like that, sucker super.
And here's Aaron Johnson and Cheryl and Nils.
Mom, hurry, I'm almost opening this one.
Okay, Joy.
The keychains.
For when you get a car.
For Jeremy. This one's for Jeremy, this one's for me.
You can put on your work key as long as you don't have a car yet.
I want this one though.
Trade them. Put the sticker on the other one.
Oh, there's this one. Cool. One's for Jeremy though. Oh, it's Pokemon. I have like $8 for Pokemon.
Mom was low and I gave her $12 of Pokemon.
Cash. Change.
What a nice guy.
I know.
See now he's got
I
a
never
job, he's got
counted
money.
this. Jeremy, wait. Never counted enough for dinner. Enough for dinner for you and Jeremy. Oh, it's not for focus, it's for dinner for us.
What if it's 50? No, Grandma wouldn't give you 50 cents.
That's not more than 50 cents.
No, 50-cent pieces. Might
There's
be.
money in there. Holy crap. How times it
Isaac,
$26.15.
It's mine.
I think you should take me and Dad out.
Good.
That's what our neighbor said, yeah.
Got a bunch of rain last night here. The kids are out playing. Nils, Joy, Aaron, Vincent, and Isaac. Holy cow. Dadian?
Okay.
Battery.
No! Battery? No, no!
Stop then, John. Same day. A little bit later. The water's gotten this much higher back here. Boy, Vince, just think now if you go swimming.
Yeah.
This is our backyard.
You can't go in this water, right?
I don't think so.
It's in deeper. This is from that water.
Ain't gonna take much more to go over, is it?
It is gonna go over. It will go over, I betcha. Are we gonna stop by the bridge, Mom?
There's some cars coming. Oh, this is creepy.
Okay, Mom. Hold it. Why ain't we gonna look at that?
Okay, Isaac, shut it off for a second. Look at this man, Isaac. His field is gone.
Yeah. He can follow it. This was, I feel.
Meadow.
Why can't we stop at the bridge? I want to stop at the bridge. I want to stop at the bridge.
Okay, Isaac, you want to get out there? Or you want me to do it?